All right, this is the housing. The housing of where the master clutch cylinder was. And the hardest thing, all right, you got the two bolts that go into here. The bolt comes in there, and you got the fluid line. Actually, to a certain degree, the hardest thing, and you see it dripping a little bit there, it's that little black rubberized hose with the little clamp. That was the most problematic thing to get off. So let's see if putting everything back together reverse-wise goes a little bit smoother. We'll be back in a second. So far, if one thing I've proven is you don't need to dismantle anything more than is like taking off these two bolts here, taking off that, loosening that nut, then pulling off, and then using some type of pliers to loosen that clamp up there on that rubber hose and pulling that off. It did leak a lot of hydraulic fluid when I pulled that off, so you probably want to get some type of flushing system, suck out everything out of the reservoir before you do this. We'll be back in a minute.